Guys, welcome back once more. So today I want to walk you through exactly how I plan out these dividend capture strategies, as well as mixing in some options trading for more profit. Now it's always good to have a watch list, so every other day you can jump into a stock, before the ex-dividend date and capture that dividend. Now AG&C, it's one of my favorite ones because it pays out monthly, so I can do this to it every month. And then if you have a bigger watch list, you can have consistent cash flow every month. So I'm going to show you real quick. I ended up buying before the ex-dividend date. The ex-dividend date was the 27th, so I had to own the stock before that. So on the 26th, I ended up buying 300 shares in increments of 100 because I was kind of hoping for the price to kind of drop a little bit more, but it did not. So I ended up buying 300 shares total. As you can see, 100 there, 100 there, and then 100 there. And then I qualified for the dividend on the 27th, and that's for $54, which will be payable to me on the 11th of March. And then today is the 28th, so right now I'm only down $13.50. So if I sell right around the 74 mark, $17.74, I would only be down like $10, so I can untie that capital. I wouldn't mind getting out with a $10 loss, because I'm already collecting a dividend of $54. So let's say I end up collecting $44, right? Just to get out of that stock. So I untie the $5,300 that I have there, and then I can just move on to the next one, that's on my watch list. Another one that's a pretty good one, it's a Whitestone. It's a REIT. This one pays out 9 cents per share every month. And so on this one, the ex-dividend date is tomorrow. So I have to own this stock today if I want to collect that dividend. So roughly for $5,300, I would get over 400 shares. So that's around $36 in a dividend payment. So that's another $36. So let's say 44, and then I capture this one. That's $36. That's $80 so far. So once I'm into this position with 400 shares, 400 and something shares, I can turn around and trade options. I can sell a call and out of the money if I want. First of all, if there's any volume or interest whatsoever. There is some. So I can sell like 4 contracts, and then by March 15, if they sell at $15, I would, basically make a lot of profit selling them at 15. If they don't sell, either way, I already made $20 whether they sell or not. So far, that's $80, and then another $20, that's $100. And if they sell at the $15 price point, which I doubt, but if they do, I would profit a lot more. And if they don't, I still made some profit. And this selling a call option, you can do as extra profit if you cannot get out of the stock in time for a swing trade. Now, however, if you can sell off on the ex-dividend date with a gain or just a little bit of a loss, then move on to the next stock with an ex-dividend date. And by the end of the month, you have a few $100s to pay some bills, or spend it however you like, or just simply reinvest it to make more money the following month. That's just my 2 cents on this, guys. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll follow up as I can. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next video.